Just a quick video here about why choose our units instead of like a main brand one, like a Sony or like an Alpine. There's a couple of main reasons. A reason one, obviously some of the components in these are the same anyway. So like the radio tuner chip, there's only one good one of that. Obviously we use the same one that Sony Alpine use. So some of the components on the side are actually the same, and some of the components are actually better. Now the reason for that is we are focused just on head units, and we're small, so we can make changes and update quickly. Whereabouts obviously Sony, Alpine, big companies, it takes them years to make changes. So our units spec for spec are normally better. For example, an HD screen or whatever we're running, always normally end up being better. You can install any app on there you want. So obviously it runs Android as a base unit. You can go into your Play Store here, install whatever you want. HEMA maps or whatnot. So you aren't just limited to their firmware or to Android Auto or CarPlay. Ours is an all-in-one kit. So you get obviously the fascia, the screen, all the cables you need. We include extra things like this, like a USB panel switch. Whereabouts if you go and buy another kit, so normally you got to go and work out, okay, I need this head unit, I want to add that fascia, I need that cable kit, and by the time you add all that up, a par for par unit with the same specs as ours will be much more expensive. So those are pretty much reasons to choose ours instead of buying one of your main brand ones.